German subjunctive if-only statements. Wenn nur. So, when a contrary to fact wish is expressed in a wenn or an if clause, the conjugated verb is in the final position because you're utilizing the subordinating conjunction. Wenn is if, and that is our subordinating conjunction. The construct for if only is wenn nur. Wenn representing if, and nur as the German word for only. So we want to make sure that we have our Konjuntiv or our subjunctive 2 of sein, haben, and werden. So, ich wäre, du wärst, sie es wäre, wir wären, ihr wärt, sie wären. For haben, ich hätte, du hättest, sie es hätte, wir hätten, ihr hättet, sie hätten. And finally, for werden, ich würde, du würdest, sie es würde, wir würden, ihr würdet, sie würden. Zum Beispiel, if only. Oh, wenn ich nur Geld hätte. If only I had money. Wenn wir nur in München wären. Oh, if only we were in Munich. Wenn Franz nur nicht krank wäre. If only Franz wasn't ill or sick. Oh, wenn das Baby nur schlafen würde. If only the baby would sleep. Those are simple if-only statements. As a reminder, because we have our subordinating conjunction here, and this is our subject, we have to put our verb all the way at the end of the sentence because of the subordinating conjunction clause rule. So, if I only money would have. If only I would have money. So, try to write your own. Write your own 3 if-only statements. Write one using wären, one using hätten, and one using würden. Because you're going to start all of these with wenn, those conjugated verbs should go to the end, and you're likely going to want to make sure you have an exclamation point with those as well. So, feel free to write your own sentences for wären, hätten, and würden. Das Ende.